Ahoy, me dear friends! Just finished another copter. A weird looking yoke. It's an octocopter, with overlapping props. So the idea of it was to reduce the size so you can stick in the boot of the car, but still having a heavy lifting rig. So as the coaxial systems, they losing trust, and apparently, well, that's the theory, that the overlapping doesn't lose as much trust, because when the prop wash goes in the cones, there's only tiny bit of a disc is overlapping. So we'll see, but there's a lot of obstruction in there, so we'll see how will that get on the test flight. Motors I have: Sunny Skies V22 16 12 800 kVs, props are 11 by 4.7, I think, it's not written there. Speed controllers, Hobby Kings F-Series 30 amps. Flight controller is NASA 32, that's my Frisky DR42 receiver with Taranis, and we'll see how she will go. Everything, there's gonna be a brushless gimbal on. I squished the damper plate because I have only 5 damper balls, and here's a dead weight of 1 kilo. That will be the gimbal and the Sony Nex 5N camera. So all of flying weight with these two batteries that I will be testing first is 3.6 kilos, but that's a 3-cell batteries, and together they're gonna have 7.4 amps in capacity, which is 3.6 kilos. I think it's a bit too heavy, so as a plan B, which will be probably used, it's a 4-cell batteries. I will have 10 amp in capacity. With these batteries, all of flying weight, it's slightly over, like few grams over 4 kilos. So don't know how will it get on aluminum monster. Right, so let's go and have a check what she's like in the air. Okay, here goes the test hover. I was trying to lift it on a 3-cell, it wouldn't take off at all. It was a bit holding in the hand something like around 75, nearly 80% throttle, so there's no point even trying to lift it on a 3-cell. So there's a 4-cell in there. Whew, we'll see how that will get on. That's a shrinking a bit. Okay, level on, armed. Whew. Nah, too scary. But at least she flies, everything controlled, is all grand. It was hovering something around 50% throttle with the 4-cell, but there's 11-inch props, and they might be a bit too big for these motors. So, whew, that was a scary moment. Well, at least she flies out of my garage.